All right, so let's see. I just got this box from Bob Taylor. He's a BWT user who is working with us on some really cool and exciting stuff. Now it's a big box. Now, let me open this and see. Oh, there's another box inside the box. Guess what? And Bob, I know you are taking care of everything, but you know I hate those piece of foam. Okay, so there you go. What we have inside here. Oh boy, that's nice. That's nice. Check this out. I'm gonna make a mess here.
Okay.
Oh my god, that's heavy and big. It's alright, so I'm gonna make a mess, alright? Sorry about that.
Whoa.
Wait, it's because I have two here. So where is the knife again? There we go. And very careful. I don't want to mess with anything. Very careful. Okay, so let's see if this is going to work. Like this. And James Neville Taylor. Oh my god. That's a big plate. Alright. Wait. That's a big plate. And you have the thing to hold the plate on the back. That's beautiful, right? But wait. Because there is more. On this plate, actually on this plate, let me see. Yeah. On this plate, James, my friend, you're also gonna have those things here, like this. I have to figure out how to do it, right? So something like that. Maybe I will figure out how to do it. And then, James, my friend, on this plate, it's going to be on your wall with the samurai sword, and which, by the way, it's written samurai here. This is a kanji, a Japanese letter, right? Here, I don't know, probably I got the wrong one. No worries, we can figure out the right one before we send, right? Probably there is different sizes, but okay, so this is going to be like this, and then we're gonna put the sword just like this, something like this. And this, my friend, is going to be on your wall, the huge plate, just like this. Isn't that amazing or what? Is that amazing, right? Now listen, let's see what else we have here. So we have for James, and let me put this guy right here. Okay, now we have one more. And who is this one? Oh, we have two more. Ooh, two more so far. Oh, this one is for my friend, super affiliate. All right, just a second. There you go. Hold. There you go. Shad Barnett. All right, Shad. Same thing. We're gonna have the hangers here, the samurai sword, and that's, my friends, gonna be on your wall. So your videos are going to be even cooler. All right, that's really, really cool. That's really cool. I'm gonna do one of these for me.
Of course.
All right, and there is one more. Let's see the other one. There is one more. Who is this one? And we are actually still waiting for more. All right, guys. So we have actually 6 plates like this that we are going to share with you guys and show you guys on the launch. And this one, really hard, it's for my super friend who talks to me every day, Mr. Alex Freeman. All right, so really cool plate, really cool plate. Same thing, my friend Alex. We're gonna have the hangers here, and then we're gonna send you the samurai sword, which, by the way, is a real sword, right? So you can be really proud of this sword. It's actually metal, really good. Okay, and then it's gonna be here with the hangers. Really nice, really nice. Now your room with the billiard tables that I saw your video is going to be very, very nice decorated with this plate. So guys, this is just some of the plates that we are getting, and we are going to send for our super affiliates, which is really, really nice. Bobby Taylor, my friend, you did an amazing job. You did an amazing job. Alvaro, who actually got the whole idea of the design, Kaique, who did the whole design, and Bobby, who actually made it happen. You guys did an amazing job. I would like to receive one of these. It is really cool. It is like 1, 2, 3 layers. Really, really cool. All right? So that's it. That's it. Looks really good. And this is just a few surprises that I'm messing up, right? That I'm messing out all the surprises. But just a few surprises that you guys are going to see on the launch on October 1st to 1 p.m. Eastern time. All right? All right. Take care. Bye-bye. See you guys there.